What's going on here?
I need to make snap first.
Okay.
I need to do snap first now. Stop it.
You just want to chill, but problem will find you coming for where is chilling spot.
Hi guys, we're chilling by the sea.
Yeah.
I'm doing snap.
Did he shock me?
You don't want me to show?
Yeah, guys. What are you doing? What are you doing now?
Everywhere.
But now you did. Those people where you want me to see.
Why are you so childish now?
Wait, no one. Give me that phone.
You remember my SIM card?
I bought all these things for you, and you don't want me to show in your video. Eh? So the best thing for you to do is go and meet all those people you want them to be seeing your video to buy it for you.
Why are you acting all childish now, babe?
Me acting so childish because I'm looking healthy and strong, Abby. Oh, you think I'm 21? I'm just 19. Oh. Whoa, Kege.
Babe, I am big, I know. I've suffered because of you. Please help me.
Then let's do something.